Is it okay for a threesome if you know your partner won't be into it? Is it okay to ask for a threesome if you know your partner won't be into it? No.
Awang ko ako kasi
No.
Hindi ko pa na-experience.
Ako would never ask for a threesome.
Ako din.
Lamang awkward ko dito. Para bang... Well, girls.
Uy, pero may mga kilala ako ha. I mean, I love...
The luckiest man in the world.
I love knowing people's stories and I love asking people different stories, especially when it comes to things like this. And I have few friends who likes that kind of stuff.
Okay, ano sila? Hetero or homo?
I don't know kasi parang usually kasi mga lalaki na friends ko, they really like 2 girls.
Yes, 2 girls.
And ba't nag-yes ka na? Experience mo na?
2 guys, weird.
No, I mean like yung sabi nila. Hindi, pero meron din na.
Pwede ba yun,
Rico?
Shiri? Kunwari 1 girl, 2 guys.
Meron,
So, 1 girl, 2 guys.
It's called the devil's
Meron din akong kilala nun.
Pero wait, yung guys, hindi yung
Yun nga.
sa girl lang.
Yeah, meron nga. Kasi
pwede yun.
parang sa sobrang daldal ko, sa sobrang curious ko, I like knowing things like this and I'm very open to it. So yung mga ibang kakilala ko, meron silang kinwento sa akin na 2 lalaki sila, magkaibigan, but they're best friends ha. Mag-best friends sila.
So
Tapos isang girl. Pero ang sabi nila sa akin, hindi pwede na yung girl is girlfriend nung isang friend nila. So the girl should be a stranger talaga to both of them.
So somebody they just pick up kunwari at the bar?
Yeah, parang ganon. Parang, oy pre, parang nagkataon lang na siguro kalibugan moments nila yon when they were young. Parang nag-share sila dun sa isang girl.
Pag ganun, parang may homosexual tendencies.
Yun na nga, yun nga iniisip ko. Sabi ko, di ba parang off yun? Ang ginawa daw nila, sorry guys na shinare ko to ha. Pero kasi I won't mention any names naman eh. Ang sinabi nila sa akin, parang after nung isa, yung isa naman. Pero sabi ko, so how was it? Like you kiss the girl and then nag-exchange kayo ng saliva or something like that. So apparently, pagka pala ganun,
sabog na
they don't kiss the girl. So kumbaga parang they wear protection and then after nung isa, yung isa naman parang
para
ganun.
palang Olympics relay.
Oh, parang ganun. Para siyang relay. So parang syempre, nagalit ako nung kinuwento sa akin. Sabi ko, gago kayo
Parang hindi nyo ko inimbita.
Ginawa niyong toy yung girl parang ganun. Pero gusto daw ng girl yun. So kumbaga, the girl daw was the one who initiated it.
Okay. May protection naman daw.
Oh.
So why not?
So important talaga yung protection.
These are like really like red flags right here. So,
hindi kasi sa akin talaga, red flag talaga yun. I mean like for me, kung ako yung ka-relationship, ayoko hindi lang ako siguro ganun ka. Wild naman ako, pero hindi ganun.
If you were to have a threesome with a celebrity, who would it be?
Sino bang girl crush?
Okay, Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. Thanks.
Ang ina sa si Rico Robles doon, hindi tayo magjowa.
Diba?
Ikaw.
Hindi kayo magjowa
ikaw.
Ako
Still have me.
Sino ba? Colin Farrell.
Kita mo kasi yung bird sa scandal. Laki, no?
Oo.
Laki.
Ang hat niya.
Kantuhod.
At saka si Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt.
Yeah.
Puro boy sa'yo.
Oo.
Mas maganda yung sagot mo.
Swing ka na.
Siyempre.
Lollipop.
2 mic. Hello, sound check. Sound check.
Hindi kasi type ko din si Blake kasi si Blake Lively.
Hindi, wala. Ayaw.
Ikaw, ano sagot mo muna?
Ay, ikaw muna.
Shit. Mali.
Lagot!
Naging guess natin yung isa eh.
Hello! Oh, no!
Okay. Guest dito sa podcast.
Oh, no!
Si Red.
I highly doubt it's Red.
I
highly doubt it's Red.
Wow. Jennifer Connelly.
Oh.
And Sasha Grey.
Okay lang kamukha mo naman, girl. Pagbigyan mo na.
Si Sasha Banks.
Sasha Banks.
Okay.
Local.
Anyway.
Bakit local?
Wala.
Local?
Wala.
Wala?
No, we're in the industry.
Sa amin na lang yun.
It's so weird, diba? If we did
I
say
know.
anything.
And then mga trabaho namin ni Phoebe pareho. Oh, you want ano pala with us, ha? Hindi, ako wala.
Kasama na yun, no? I-edit mo lang yan, no?
Kung girl.
Kasi baka nagmumura. Yan. Lalabas na.
Hindi.